The annual Apple Special event is almost on, and will start September 12th at 10 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. In this video we want to show you the new predicted iPhones. There are some infos leaked on Apple's website already. The iPhone X will be replaced with the iPhone XS. This smartphone will be 5.8 inches big. It will be available with 64, 256 and 512 GB storage. There will also be a new and bigger version available that will be called iPhone XS Max, which will be 6.5 inches big, and also available with the same storage sizes. Both iPhones will have a sharp OLED display. And there will be a cheaper iPhone X version which will be called iPhone XR and will have an in-between size with 6.1 inches. The iPhone XR will only get an LCD display and will be available in 6 colors. There will be black, white, red, yellow, coral and blue. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel.